Good morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have today and tomorrow of Modernistic print shop on Etsy, and then I'll start showing you crafts. But I am doing these daily instead of every 3 days or so, so I'm working behind the scenes. So today is a big, mega bundle that I want to talk about, and a pastel blue Easter junk journal kit too. So there's a lot going on here. So first is the pastel blue junk journal kit, and I think I printed all of it. It's a lot. So what we get is 12 double-sided, which that's what I'm calling this, where it's 2 images. We get 12 of those. We get 24 portrait, 3 background pages, 2 lined, 10 tags, 1 envelope and 1 letter pages, 12 pockets, 8 ephemera, 2 bookmarks, 8 ribbons and fussy cut bows. So yeah, so let's go through it. So here is the junk journal images, and it's blue and it's Eastery, and it is a lot of flowers, a lot of layering, butterflies. It is gorgeous. I see lace. It is beautiful. Okay, and I'll show you the next one. I mean, look at the colors. And the rabbits are just gorgeous. I'm going to just show you everything. Those blues are so pretty. Blue and browns, you cannot go wrong. I just love blue and brown together. Very vintage. What did she call this again? Was it called vintage? Pastel Blue Easter Junk Journal Kit. It's a large kit too. It's got a lot of stuff. Oh, these rabbits are just too cute. It's a little early for Easter, but I don't know, some people might be slower than others on crafting, and plus people want to know what's out there, so that they'll buy it and everything. But it's so good to get images because you have it forever. So isn't that nice? Look how pretty that is, and that's got like a lace scroll work on it. It is so pretty. I love how Modernistic has taken it to another level by putting so many layers on their paper, with the handwriting and all. This looks very Italy to me. Italian. Look at that. Look at the print on that egg. Can you see it? It's so pretty, and that one's speckled. Oh, look at that. And the butterfly and the eggs and the blueness. And so I said that there were 3 background pages. So here is the background page. It's so pretty. Here is another background page. And then here is this, which you can use a million times over. It would go with any journal. Here's a blue, 2 line, 3 background. So these are the 2 line, and here are the background. Oh, that blue. And then here's a background. Here's another one, and another one. Okay, so now there is the tags. Look at that. Fussy cut the egg and the bunny. And I printed this in December, and my printer, I can tell you now, it's not her. My printer was offline, and it was driving me crazy. Or not offline, but not lined up proper. So see how it cut this off? And it should have been scooted over. That's on me. That's not hers. but it's still so usable that I didn't reprint it. So I apologize. And this, I think, got cut off here on the pockets, because this is a junk journal and pockets. And I do need to reprint this because it really did cut off quite a bit, but this is still usable. It is on me, and it did it on all of it. You know, I just said print, 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 and I went into the house, left my craft room, and went into the house, came back and said, ah! So here is a envelope, and it says where to score and where to glue. Here is a page to go inside the envelope. It fits inside, I think. And here is 2 bookmarks. And you see how it's not lined up, it's cockeyed. My printer drove me crazy for the longest time. Okay, so here is the portraits and all. I'm surprised I printed all the portraits, but I'm thinking that I want a slimline junk journal too, where you score in a half and it becomes you just score it and it becomes a slimline junk journal. And that's why I think that I can do that the way that these pages come together. So all these images are the same that you saw on the double. So now you can really see them. It is a huge kit and a very good price. All their prices are good. So now you can really see, when I was bragging about that egg, you can see how this is going to be the prettiest slimline. But now you can see what I was talking about on that egg, where, I don't know if you can see it. The white on that egg is beautiful. But yeah, so right here is 2 different kits, and I only printed it one time, but it's 2 kits, or 2 projects, I should say, right here already ready to be made, because I'm doing one regular and one slimline project. This could be baby stuff. You know, rabbits and babies go together. You could make a baby album with rabbits, and you could fussy cut some of the eggs out so it doesn't look so Eastery, but it could be a baby project as well. But is this not the prettiest? I mean, they are just stepping it up when it comes to their projects. Everything in her store, I love it all. I really do. There's some stuff that I've heart that I know I need to buy, and some stuff that's in my cart, and I need to go and buy some more stuff. She gifted me this for sure in December. I think I need to show you. Ooh, look at that one. Wow, that is beautiful. And then here is this one and that one, and I had already showed you that this was cockeyed and messed up. So guys, look at the Easter fun we're going to have. So let me pull out some more so people can see it when I show this off. Her link will be down below, or their link, because it's a husband and wife, I think. Their link will be down below on this and on this kit. But I also said mega bundle for lifetime access. She gave me a mega bundle of all these doll fussy cut. I think there's like 190, and it says lifetime. I don't know how that works, so I'm gonna have to ask her. But they had rabbits, so I went ahead and printed rabbits, and of course it wasn't lined up, so it cut this one off and cut some off. This one cut off a hair, but not enough to worry about. But this was in the mega bundle, or you can buy it by itself, and it is called Victorian Bunnies Paper Doll Kit, 20 fussy cutouts. So there's 20 of these, or you can buy the mega bundle for, I think it was on sale for $24 or something, but you get 190 to almost 200 images. I mean, there's dogs and cats and turtles and people and all colored dresses and Christmas and elves. But I just printed the bunnies to show you that this is going to be little tags and different stuff to go with it. Of course, like I said, I messed this up with my paper not being aligned, but look at the bunnies, also a whole different set to show you that would go with this. So go check their store out. This link will be there also, and the mega bundle or just the bunnies, and then this is also called pastel blue. So guys, let's go check out and see all the beautifulness that they have. So let me move some of this portrait so that when people look at this, they can see that there is junk journal size down below. I don't want to confuse on my picture that I'm fixing to take, but remember, look at the tags you get and just so much. So there you go. That's good to show. I think that'll show a lot. So anyway, guys, go check them out because there's so much stuff going on here. There's so many different projects. I see 3 that I've already printed here, so I'm very happy that there's so much going on. And I have 3 projects already printed and ready to go. So have a blessed day. Follow me because you never know what I'm going to do. I have one more video and then a lot of crafts are coming. Have a blessed day.